What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil. And let's go through US quickly today as well, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So nothing much changed, and the market is really slow due to the holiday in the US. It's Thanksgiving, I guess, so that is why the market is not moving really fast. So simply what we're looking at a clear bearish trades only, since we are trading on smaller time frame. We are short-term bearish, not long-term. So what I'll be looking at, just a bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA. That is all I'll be looking at. If that turns to be a bearish engulfer, that will be a short-term sell signal, and I'll go 180R, just 180R for my targets. And if you want to manage it, I'll manage it to the support right here. And it is an area below. I've already mentioned these zones in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check them out, from where I want to see a good bounce out of. So either with a bullish engulfer or double bottom entry confirmation. Remember, the conditions are very important. Once the price is inside the zone, only then I'm going to start to look for my buy trade. So for now, just bearish trade with the bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA. That is all I'm looking at here on these platform. Now coming back on NG1 NEMIX, we are still above 50 EMA. That is why if you are trading on this platform, make sure we are broken below these lows. Once we are broken below, only then I'm going to start to look for my pullback entry bearish till we are in the zone below right here for the possible buy trade. As you can see, these zones from this green zone that has already been mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. So only bearish trades for now. For the bearish trades, wait for the price to break below these lows. Otherwise, we're just ranging sideways, no confirmation. Buy will only happen from here, or buy trades will only happen above these highs. Hey Onawanda, that is not a valid bearish engulfer, in case you are wondering. If you see this candle opened way below the previous candle, makes it an invalid bearish engulfing pattern. So exactly same as NEMIX, from break below these lows with a pullback and a bearish engulfing pattern will be my entry condition. And the area below right here, it is an area from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. It's a trend continuation trade in an uptrend after this pullback, a big pullback all the way from here. From here, I'll expect a possible bounce out of. So keep an eye. That might be a bearish engulfer on your own platform. So make sure if you have that, it is an entry. So in general, we are only looking for bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA for the sell confirmation. Otherwise, be patient, don't rush, and don't force yourself in a trade when there is no conditions. Here on gold, we have a symmetrical triangle right here, as you can see. Now, when I see this type of pattern, it is just my discretion when I take my entry. So I use some discretion, means a breakout above can be a confirmation that price is going to likely push up to the next level of resistance, which is right up there, the numbers in blue. Now, there are two types of entry with a break of a solid candle. That can be an aggressive entry. Stop loss can be below the pattern. That is a very aggressive entry. Sometimes that break can be just a fake out before the price pushes back down. So for the extra confirmation, if you're not an aggressive trader, just a break with a pullback retest followed by bullish pressure, like a bullish engulfer or a 382 or a pin bar. That is a less aggressive way, and a confirmation that yes, we have a bullish pressure. In that case, we are broken above 50 EMA as well. Added that is an extra confluence. So break below is also something I'll be looking at. If you're broken below with a solid candle, that is also a sell signal. Aggressive entry, stop loss above the pattern, or with the break retest, bearish engulfer will be a good and better way to entry if you're not an aggressive trader. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at here on gold. Keep an eye and let's see how it goes. I'll keep 180R for my initial targets as well. Silver is bouncing up nicely from the double bottom pattern. Now right here we have a perfect double bottom with this green candle, and if you look here, 180R of this double bottom, 29 like 30 cents. That looks something like this. For the bigger targets, of course, I go the second target 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio and adjust my stop loss below the rejection box, something like this. So two ways of entry and two ways of taking my targets exactly like this. Let's see how this goes. A valid double bottom, expecting a price to bounce up at least till 50 EMA, from where we can see some rejection. If there is no rejection and price breaks above 50 EMA, then we are likely going to head higher. But if there is a rejection followed by bearish engulfer, that will be a valid sell signal and a signal that price is going to likely to push back down. So let's see how it goes. Then we have crude oil, still below 50 EMA on a daily and on a 4-hour time frame as well. Again, a double bottom area is something I'm looking at exactly as yesterday's video. Right here, these numbers in blue I'll be looking for the possible hit on a daily time frame with a bullish candle, bullish engulfer, pin bar, or a 382 candle. That is all I'll be looking at here on 4 hour. As you can see, price is just accumulating sideways. That is all we are looking at. Once we see a breakout, we can see a possible push down to the termination zone below. So on here, I'm just looking for my entries on daily time frame, as then we can see a possible formation of double bottom pattern. On 4 hour time frame, either I want to see a clear bullish engulfer within this termination zone, or a break above this high, pull back, and then a bullish engulfer or a bearish entry condition from the zone above right here, which I'm going to keep you guys informed in my upcoming videos. Lastly, we have US cocoa. It's now pushing up. Now 1.618 retracement. The target has been hit. If you have been following me on my Telegram channel in the reports that I mainly post on my Telegram channel, right here, as you can see, this report was posted last week. So I do post them for US cocoa and some other commodities every now and then. So keep an eye on my Telegram channel. So according to that, this is the third winning trades we have here on US cocoa. Now the target has been hit. Normally 1.618 retracement act as a good level of resistance. We do have this bearish engulfer. Looking at that, we can see some correction is expected. And looking at this 1.618 retracement, rejection from this area twice, thrice, and that is why we can see some pullbacks. If you have a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, that will be another buy signal that price is going to push high. So only buy trades above 50 EMA with a pullback until the price reaches the zone above right here, which is my counter trend trading zone. Right here, the numbers in blue, 9911 goes to 10208, from where we can start to look for the bearish confirmation like bearish engulfers or double top entry confirmation. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.